Okay, I look super crusty dusty. I don't even know if this video is even going to get posted. You hear the kids in the back, they're playing. I'm about to color my hair. I'm not supposed to, but I don't mean I'm not supposed to, like I can't, but okay. So the lady that does my hair, cause you know I can't keep my hands on my hair, the lady that was helping me to upkeep my hair. You okay, Joey? That sounded like that hurt. You fine. So I gotta wait, but I'm only gonna do just, so this is wax. So I have even amount of these things. So I'm only doing from like ear to ear. So it's probably like about maybe 9 on this side, maybe 11. Oh gosh, maybe 11. You just change it with the bubble machine. Maybe 11 on this side. This one has hair paint wax. So I just got to get this one wiped off. I'm not really going to record the process, just more so. Then it's just maybe like a collage, a video collage of how my journey has been going so far. But yeah, I don't know how many weeks it's been since I ended like my hair. So, but anywho, so I'm about to go ahead and put the color on there. Well, at least put the bleach on there, and then, you know, we will see what happens. All right, here we go. We are processing. I did a 30 volume developer. The thing say it can take up to like 50 minutes. You can see it's not really moving. Put this over my ears. Ask Sky for the bubbles. Well, I bought them for y'all. But anywho, so yeah, this is what I got so far. And we just got a piece of gold. I'm just gonna wait and see. Okay, so here we go. Ignore that. So here we go. This is what we're looking like so far. Hold on a second. This is what we're looking like so far. This is how this side is looking. You alright? Yeah. Okay. And so this one right here looks like I could have went in a little bit more. I thought I did. My fingers are starting to burn. I could have went in like a little bit more on this side. This one really isn't like lifting the way how I thought. Like I think they're lifting nicely. I only use a 30 volume developer. This one I think could have been lifted a little bit more. So they're kind of like spotchy-ish like, but for the most part, my face looks so crusty. But for the most part, they're lifting, and I'm okay with that. So it says it takes about it says it could take up to like 50 minutes, but I really think it's because of the kind of developer that not the developer, but the like the lighting agent that I use. So it says it can take up to like 50 minutes for it to process, and it's doing just that. I think I'm about to just go ahead and rinse this out. That's what I'm thinking, because I still gotta do my boy's hair, and I want to make sure I'm done for the solar eclipse. So yeah, okay. This is like I'm bleaching my hair, so yeah. Okay, time for the big reveal. I still look crusty. I'm trying to hurry up for this eclipse come. I gotta be cute for the rapture, but anywho. So I didn't look at it for real. Let me see. That's actually not bad. I may just keep it this color. Hold on. Partially my glasses. I don't know how my part B. It's not that bad. I didn't tone it, but when I get outside, I'm gonna get some more like angles of it. I may just keep it this color for real. I actually like this color. So yeah, when I get outside, we'll see what we're talking about. So okay, bye. This is so wild. I wish y'all could really see this. This is crazy.